Hey guys, it's day one of the Water and Ab Challenge. Yay! Alright, so I'm just going to do a little video here to explain to you how this challenge is going to work. So this is a two-part challenge. I felt like doing two parts because I did. So yeah, basically we need to add some nutrition and hydration aspect to our challenges. We've done two physical challenges so far, the squats and planking. So now it's time to incorporate an aspect of hydration and nutrition and lifestyle change. Okay, so the first part of this challenge is the water challenge, which is arguably more difficult than probably the ab challenge. And you might say, why, Jen? Why is that so difficult? Well, most people don't drink enough water, and that's just a fact. The rule of thumb has always been 8 glasses of water a day. Now that really depends on how big you are. The real rule depends on your body weight. So 8 glasses for a little person might be enough. And if you're a great big giant linebacker guy, that's not going to be enough water. So what you want to do first is figure out exactly how much water you should be drinking a day. So the first thing you need to do is weigh yourself. So get on a scale. The best time to weigh yourself is first thing in the morning because it's probably the most accurate, close to your real weight that you're going to get because it's before you eat and it's your true body weight. So get on the scale and weigh yourself. So then you want to take that number and divide it by 2. And that's going to be the number of fluid ounces of water that you should be drinking a day. Now that might be a big scary number, but we're going to deal with some tips and tricks to make that possible. Okay, so for example, we are going to do me. And I have no problem giving you my body weight because it's not me. I am me. I am not my weight. It is just a number. And it's a work in progress, so I have no problem telling you. Alright, so right now, as of today, I weigh 174 pounds. So if you take 174, right there, I don't know if you can see it, divided by 2, so that's 87 fluid ounces of water that I need to be drinking every day. So this Shakeology shaker bottle is about 25 ounces. So if you divide that by 25, so I need to be drinking 3.5 of these every day. That is not an insignificant amount of water. That's almost 3 liters of water. So you are obviously not going to be able to chug this all in one go. You can't just make this a cold turkey moment. So we're going to go through how we're going to do this throughout the month. So this is not easy. And I want the group to help each other because most people don't drink enough. And if you are just about to start, this is a very daunting task. So what I want from the group is every day to post in the group how successful you were. So how many ounces did you manage to drink that day? So then with that, I want what did you do to make that possible? And what challenges did you run into? And why are you finding this difficult? And together we're going to be able to support each other and answer questions. And if one person has an awesome trick that nobody else knows, then we'll all benefit from doing it together. The other thing I would like you to do for the water half of this challenge, and it's totally voluntary, it's something that I would like you to do, but if you don't want to do it, that's fine. I would like you to take a before picture. So just your face. No makeup, just a before picture. You don't have to show it to anybody. You don't have to do anything with it. If you want to post it to the group, by all means, post it to the group. Increasing your hydration level is going to impact your body so significantly inside. It's unbelievable. Hydration and dehydration is such a huge epidemic in North America, probably all over the place, but I know for sure in the people that I've talked to, dehydration is a huge problem. So your organs and your body are going to thank you, but it is most easily seen in your face. You're going to see clearer skin and less bags, and your wrinkles are going to start to go away. It's amazing what water is going to do for you. So, just as a basis point, I'd like you to take a before picture because at the end of the month, I want you to take an after picture and see exactly how much you've changed. Now, if you stick to this, you will see a difference, I promise. Okay, the other thing, the last part of this challenge, right after this video, I'm going to post an article. It's chronicling a lady who took a challenge similar to this. She said, I'm going to drink a gallon, which is 4 liters, so it's quite a lot of water, every day for a month and see what it does. And for me, that was a game changer. When I saw this article, it's not long, it's going to take you a couple minutes to read. I was like, holy moly, this is really something. Like, this is something that I really need to not just slough off as garbage, nutritional mumbo jumbo. So if you have a second, take a look at that because for me, that was really important. Okay, so the second part of our challenge is an ab challenge. And because I have the attention span of a goldfish, I don't like repetitive anything. I don't like repetitive exercise. So that's kind of, I had a hard time with the squat challenge because I just felt like the same thing over and over and over again. So what I'm going to do for each day in the month of March is I'm going to post a super short video of a different exercise for every single day. So if you like one more than the other, you can replace things you don't like, whatever you guys want to do. But every day I'm going to post a little exercise. So at the end of every day, just like you're going to post for the water, in that post, I'd like you to include, yeah, I did my exercise. To me, challenge groups like this, groups of people working together, is so important because when I see the post that says, oh, well, Amy did my post today and I rocked it and I haven't, I'm like, oh shit, I should really go do that. So it just kind of brings everybody together, like we're doing this as a group, as a team, and we're supporting each other and we're doing it together. So that's what I would like from the group. An active group, if we start out active, we will finish strong. So that's what I want from you guys. If you've got any questions or comments, post below, and we're going to rock this month. Thanks, guys!